Hi guys, Ali the Fish Keeper here with another video. Today I want to talk with you about blood parrots. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe, and if you already did that, make sure to hit the like button as well, please. Thank you. Blood parrots are one of the most extraordinary fishes in our hobby. You know why, guys? Because they are not found in the wild. They are captive bred. They are hybrids. The pH of the water has to be between 7 to 8, and the temperature has to be between 23 and 30 degrees Celsius. The minimum size of a fish tank has to be for one blood parrot around 30 to 40 gallons. I always say the bigger the better. Make sure to keep up on your maintenance, because they can live well over 10 years if good care of. So make sure to do the water changes and just provide them a good healthy aquarium. You can keep them in groups. I will recommend a group of 3 or maybe 4 in maybe a 100-gallon or a 75-gallon aquarium. Then you will see a lot of funny and good-looking behavior. They are also really different. Every fish has their own personality. I have 4 of them, and I will definitely say they are all different. Some of them are really shy, and it can take a while before they actually warm up to you. Sometimes maybe weeks, sometimes maybe months. But at the end, it's definitely worth it. Provide them with as many hiding spots as possible. They really like it. You can also use plants. Make sure they are rooted good, because sometimes they like to rearrange the tank, and if they are not rooted as good as it has to be, they will definitely ruin your tank. They also like to dig, so make sure you have sand. And why not put sand in your aquarium? It's so easy to clean. I'd like to give them bloodworms, but also cyclops, baby brine shrimp, high quality cichlid pellets, flakes, and a lot of other things. Make sure to variety as much as possible, because that's really healthy for the fish. Tank mates, make sure they are bigger than their mouth, then there is no problem. Because these guys, they hold their own on the bigger guys, the South American cichlids, the American cichlids, and they do very well in a community fish tank because they known to be really that aggressive, only when breeding. When they are going to breed, they will pair up, similar to a lot of other cichlids. They do lay their eggs, but most of the time the males are infertile. After they do lay their eggs, they will be a little bit more aggressive and really territorial. So a backup tank comes right in handy. The blood parrot comes in a lot of different varieties. I have 4 of them. 2 of them are really common ones, really red and orange. 1 of them is really blue. That's a hybrid between a green Texas and a blue parrot. And the other one is a hybrid between a red Texas and a blue parrot. They are also breeding with flower horns as well. So sometimes you will see a lot of rare ones. Guys, if you can care of them, if you have a good sized tank, make sure to get one. Or maybe a group, because they are so nice, and they are one of the best cichlids that I have ever owned, the blood parrots. I want to give a quick shout out to Xavier Ledo. Thank you guys. If you want to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and peace out. Bye.